Hello, I am Naomi. My channel is Naomi's Ellipses, and today we're gonna do something chill. Yesterday I tried to do something a little bit more chill, but knowing me, I love sci-fi city. I was like, okay, let me paint sci-fi cities, and then I realized that I am not good at painting sci-fi cities. So today I'm starting on another piece, and it's gonna be much more organic as it's gonna be a face. So let me jump in real quick and explain you a little bit better what we're doing today. Because it's the holidays, I wanted to do something a little bit more chill where I just let go, and it's my brush that is going to lead. And yes, my brush is gonna lead me to the content dog meme. You will see how it happens. Hopefully it's gonna be something good. Oh well, I didn't know what was awaiting for me. That's like a new format, so let me know if you like it, because I see I have more and more new people up in here, and well, thank you for joining us. Let me talk about the process, even though there isn't much. I think the easiest way of describing it is I started with a very blurry picture and defined it as I went. And I realized I still have to work on my anatomy. Like, I know there's a muscle here, I know there's a muscle there, but then what the heck is the other muscles? And apparently that was enough to make me go into a rant about how school is important. Yeah. At first you think, oh, it's not in, like, I will never need this in my future life. And then you grow up and you realize, yeah, you definitely needed that. Okay, let's fast forward a little bit. And when I was in math, Gosh, I'm still talking about that. Yeah, because biology. Yeah, okay, you know what? Let me talk a little bit. I feel like this way of painting or drawing is much closer to sculpting than actually illustration. I don't know, it's just my vibe. But why do I say this? You will see that throughout this painting, I keep on adding lights, adding shadows to find a shape that I think match with the face. Right now, the drawing don't even have eyes yet, but you can see that I slowly add details. For example, here on the nose, she did not have a bridge and now she does. Or the lips gets more detailed, so the lips get more defined. Oh yeah, and you remember me telling you that I was not really good and didn't really know which muscle went where? Do you think I looked it up? Yeah, I didn't. It's so much more, I don't know, I enjoy it so much more right now already compared to yesterday night where I was like doing grids. I think I deleted the footage of yesterday already because I was so pissed off. Like, I wanted to relax, I wanted to do something like chill, and I couldn't manage. Yeah, it can be hard to relax in art sometimes. I don't know if you're the same as me with that. But it's more or less at this stage that I knew I wanted my portrait to have her eyes closed. And now that I'm looking back at the footage, maybe it was because I needed some relaxation too that I make my drawing that relaxed too. I also think it's around this stage that I finally saw it. She really looks like the happy dog meme. And when you strike on gold, you stay with it. I imagine that dog having her hair in the wind, so this is what I did. Another point that I touched upon was how I fear contrast. You can see right now that the drawing doesn't have much contrast, and I was really happy with it. I felt like the shape and form was still very visible, but I was scared to draw a little darker. If you're an OG of the channel, you will know that I also have that issue when I draw with charcoal. But again, this drawing was just for me to relax and enjoy the process. So I decided I will just leave it like this. So it was time to add some colors. I knew I wanted some reddish hues to, make her feel alive. And to contrast it, I wanted some green as reflections. Again, because I entered in without much thought into that painting, I couldn't really add a lot of colors because I felt like it didn't really match quite well. But I'm really happy with what I added. And of course, I made her hair a deep chocolate brown as the dog is a deep chocolate as well. I know that in the meme, the sky is quite blue, but looking at the contrast, I thought that it looked better with a darker background. So I made the background darker and added some stars to make it look a bit more romantic. Okay, I have to admit it. I took a break from the drawing, and once I came back, I realized the drawing was not dark enough. I needed to add more contrast. So I did. But with this, the drawing was finished. But before we go, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Okay, let's go.